Hi, so if you're new to the world of coffee brewing and you're trying to learn new techniques like AirPress, this video will be packing some tips and a basic way to AirPress your coffee. Now you're gonna set up your AirPress, which is real easy. Just pull out the plunger, set it aside, take the paper holder and add in paper. You do not need to rinse it, it is fine just the way that it is. Plug it back in. Now put your AirPress onto something that is gonna be sturdy, for example, your mug or a kettle, whatever you're brewing your coffee into, because you are going to be pressing on it in a minute. Now if you're using light roast coffee, which I would recommend because you can use a smaller ratio to extract more of it. Now as for grind size, grind your coffee real fine if you're using light roast because you want maximum extraction. And as for the water, you can go all the way to boiling water. Lower the temperature if you're using medium roast or high roast, because otherwise the taste is gonna be real intense. Now add your ground coffee into the AirPress, pour in hot boiling water, and you want to try to get the coffee wet as soon as possible. Cover it up with a plunger, and instead of pressing it down, wait for 2 minutes to let the flavors really fuse in. Once your 2 minutes have passed, give the coffee a gentle stir. You're gonna wait another 30 seconds and then you're gonna press on the AirPress. You're gonna gently press it down and let the coffee filter itself out, and you've got yourself a great cup of coffee. And that is how you use AirPress. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing. Goodbye.